Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REVCLOUD tutorial how to create cloud. So if you want to create cloud, you can type REVCLOUD, press enter, and then you can tap A to set for the art size. In here, like I will set into 2 for the minimum, and the maximum I will set into 5. Press enter again. Now you can click, move the cursor to create cloud. I will change again. You can type REVCLOUD, press enter, tap A, enter again, and I will set like into 10 for minimum, and then maximum into 10 point. Now you can create cloud in this drawing area. Okay, that's it for a basic REVCLOUD tutorial how to cloud.